Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you why you can't connect to your laptop to Wi-Fi. Firstly, open the run command. You can do this by pressing the Windows key plus R button simultaneously. Alternatively, you can type run in the search bar and click run command. Once it's open, type this command, which is devmgmt.msc, and hit enter. This will open the device manager window. Now, navigate to the network adapters section and expand it. You should see your wireless network adapter listed with the download icon. Right-click on the wireless network adapter and select Update Driver Software. In the Update Driver window, select Browse My Computer for driver software. Then choose Let me pick from a list of devices on my computer and click Next. Make sure to check the box that says Show Compatible Hardware. Now select the driver you want to install from the list. Choose any compatible driver and click Next. Wait for a few seconds and the driver to install. Once the installation is complete, you should notice that the red cross icon has disappeared, indicating that the issue has been resolved. Now, you should be able to use your LAN on Wi-Fi connection to access the internet without any problem. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.